As in natural resource classification, which includes inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources, which includes immutable resources and measurable resources. Inexhaustible resources, which includes maintainable resources. That includes renewable resource and non-renewable resources. This is the classification of the natural resource. Now we have seen the natural resource classification and its uh, importance of this natural resource and its general overview of these natural resources that were studied. Then how these resources are conserved, how resource conservation is done. So resource conservation is which was started for non-renewable resources, but for non-renewable resources, proper management is necessary, which is part of the conservation. So for non-renewable resources, to preserve the non-renewable resources which are exhaustible, they cannot be regenerated again. So these resources should be conserved. Resource conservation should be done. But for renewable resources, it requires proper management for conservation of these renewable resources, so that these resources should be available for the future. In the future generation, these resources can be utilized. These resources should be preserved. When these resources should be available for the future generation, when we maintain these resources, or we can maintain the quality of these resources, then only these resources will be available for the future generation. What is conservation? Conservation means what? This conservation is the word which is derived from Latin word con. Latin word का है con. The meaning of that Latin word con is the together or server, or to keep or to guard. This is the meaning, to keep or to guard or to protect or to or server together. That is known as con. The meaning of that con. And this whole word conservation means the preservation or to protect the resources, or to preserve these resources. There are different definitions are given by different ecologists for this resource conservation. So one of the definition given by Gifford Pinchot in the year 1908 in White House Conference, he has given the definition of the resource conservation. What is resource conservation? वेगवेगळ्या इकॉलॉजिस्टनी हे डेफिनेशन दिलेले आहे. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन गिवन बाय P. Haggett, who is the ecologist, given this definition of the resource conservation. Resource conservation is the scheduling of a resource. Scheduling of the resource use so as to provide the greatest yield for the greatest number or longest time period. The scheduling or planning of the resource use, how to use that resources so that greatest yield will be provided for the greatest number for over a longer period of time. That resource should be available. Such a planning or scheduling is done for that resource. So for longer period, this scheduling is done, scheduling of that resource use. Scheduling of that resource is done for several years or longer period, so that how much the for what time or what period that resource is used, that scheduling of that resource is done. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? रिसोर्स कन्झर्वेशन. ओके, समजलं रिसोर्स कन्झर्वेशन म्हणजे काय? This is the definition given by P. Haggett. Scheduling of resource use so as to provide greatest yield for the greatest number over the longest time period. That is resource conservation. And another definition given by Ely is one who is ecologist, British ecologist, has given this definition. Conservation means sacrifice of the present generation to future generation, where it is carried for this conflict beginning far before the ideal is reached, which is conservation are inclined to advocate. So sacrifice is given by the present generation, सध्याची जी generation आहे, to maintain these resources, quality of the resources, to preserve these resources, so that these resources can be made available for the future generation. Future generation साठी resources त्यांना available करून दिल्या पाहिजे. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Conservation, resource conservation. Sacrifice of the present generation to future generation to protect these resources, to conserve these resources. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Resource conservation. This is the definition given by Ely. And third definition given by Harold M. Rhodes, who is also a British ecologist, has given this definition. What he says, it is the optimum allocation of natural, human and cultural resources in the scheme of national development. So whereby maximum economic and social security will be assured. This is a definition given by Harold M. Rhodes. What he says, these natural resources should be allocated properly, optimum allocation of these resources should be there. They should not be or allocation, or there should not be wastage of these resources. These resources should be allocated properly, so that these resources can be that can be utilized for the future generation. So this will lead to the national development. यामुळे काय होईल? There will be the economical growth of the nation, or social security can be assured. This is the definition given by Harold M. Rhodes. This is the resource conservation. समजलं तिन्ही मध्ये डिफरन्स काय? तिन्ही मध्ये डेफिनेशन, तिन्ही वेगवेगळ्या डेफिनेशन्स आहेत, प्रत्येकाचं वेगवेगळं मीनिंग आहे. ओके, समजलं का? रिसोर्स कंजर्वेशन म्हणजे काय? ओके, here time is over. Here we'll stop. In next lecture we'll continue. Okay.